Hey, what's up, guys? We are here. Don't be surprised where we are from. We are from one of the beautiful areas here in Kenya, Africa, East Africa, Migori County. This is one of the best, the cheapest over here. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new here, kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment. On today's video is a special video, guys. We just woke up to come and look for materials, and when we say for materials, we talk about barras, we talk about sand, we talk about iron bars, we talk about sand, we talk about blocks, we talk about everything. So this day today is a very beautiful day, guys. Remember, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. Kindly make it happen by subscribing, liking, and sharing, and I really appreciate your love and support. Today it's a very green, lush, hilly, stones, a lot of areas. Things are happening over here. Even the gate is the gate, but we have several gates. You know, you can use the main gate, but we have different several gates over here. And I'm with my brother here. We have been struggling up and down, running helter skelter. But before that, I'll show you. But before that, also we'll be sharing with you how the struggles are around here and what we are here to do. So subscribe, pay much attention, and we want to share with you the beautiful and the greatest way of this. So pay much attention and let's So we want to see the barras that we have here. We're coming for the barras, and the barras is barrasting. Very nice and great. Our tip. Hey, this place, the hill is all of stones. It's you. Hey. Okay. At least man, this is small. At least this small. Okay. Yeah, we wanted this small stones. And also we have another one over here. Also have another one. It's kind of small. Also have another one over here. It's not big. It's just small. You know. Though this is knocked. It's not crushed. It's knocked. You know. We could have gone for the machines, but the one for the machine is more weight. So it's more weight. It's this way. It's a small stones one, you know. So guys, this is what you see. There's a view on this other end. We decided to come for the small whereas up to the other end. So we have this, the other tip over there. So True Boy is relaxing. Has been eating dust. Hey, what's up, bro?
I've seen fire.
You've seen fire. And very tired.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because the place is
Very,
far.
very far. Yeah.
Yeah, so the place is very far, by the way.
Yes.
Yeah. So, hello guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching us from. Welcome to Claude Joseph YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing. Show him love, guys. Let's take him to 30k subscribers. Your one sub is more important, guys. Like if you are one, you are going, you move to two. Then if you are two, three. That's how we move. So with us here, we've just come to purchase ballast, right?
Yeah. You have to
So
come to buy ballast.
yeah, so we've just come here. You can feel like I'm full of dust, you know. Yes, I'm full of dust. Look.
Yeah. Guys, with me, I was kind of lucky because the little bit they told me, let's just go on the car, we see how it's going. And True Boy was like, oh, let me come with the motorbike.
Yeah, you know, we came with motorbike, my babe.
Yeah.
I came with my babe.
Yeah.
Because the place is far and we have not yet connected before we leave home.
Yeah.
So we came at least and by good luck we found these guys who are going to transport the ballast to where we are constructing, you know, at my home there. So I was riding while CJ was the one who was inside, at least for them to show them the way, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here
Hey
we
man,
are.
I'm sorry
so
for the
tired.
dust.
That's how it is.
Yeah,
when it comes time to work,
Yeah.
do my hair dusty?
No.
Yeah.
You had the helmet.
Yeah, I had a helmet. At the same time, I had
Shades.
my glasses. You know, so I was wearing at the same time that I had my helmet. So this is the outer part which has been affected, but
The inner part is clean as
protected. Yeah, much protected. Nose, eyes.
Yeah.
That's the most important.
All right, guys.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Stay tuned as they pack for us.
Yeah.
Then we leave back home. Then I think everything wanna be alright.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, guys, you can see how everything is. Like in this hill, it's a hill that is comprised of all stones. So you see, they decided like, oh, we're gonna kill this hill down and we'll see what's going on around. So by killing the hill, they remove stones, and I love how there is a catchment of what you call, like, they planted trees so that the roots can avoid the what you call, like, the stones from running to the house onto the other side. To protect hills. But with them over here, this is what you see. Things move on so nicely, and we had our good friends over here. Which baba chama onge watch wangi osiev naka. Yeah, this is our driver, our great driver, and also our guy here, so who connected us to this side. So we are working, and as you see, things are really moving on. Introduce yourself. Oh, wewe pia. Okay. That's how you see, guys, how it's going on. Okay. How many wheelbarrows does this tipper carry? Around 130. Oh, around 130, guys. Wheelbarrows of this. So let's wait and see how it's going. Then we want to take you back. Okay, so we keep on moving and bringing more and more materials over here. Like now we are bringing grade 1 of ballast so that we can see how it's going. So let's pour down and we want to check how it is over here. We are with the big man over here.
Behind the camera, guys. So about it, right? Here we are. You know, we have already gone for one truck of ballast. Then we are receiving another one, the grade 1. You know?
Yeah. Yeah, so we have this ballast over here. We have this kind of ballast over here now, and it's time to eat. Let's try it. We eat. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Babu, food. So yeah, guys, Mama always prepare food for us over here, and yeah, and our big boy here. Today we are having ugali and sardines. Umekata kubwa mbwa. Rudisha kwa dogo. Ugali and sardines. So we're having ugali and sardines. Call them sardines all daga. Oh, kuna mboga. Ogza. We have these are mchicha, or we call them pigweed. Yeah, so we want to make ourselves busy. So eat, and then we want to see what's happening. So after this, we'll ever show you how the work is, how it's going. So today we're going to put up the pillars, and that's how it is. So over here, this is what you see. All right. Boy here always complains about our camera. Mura, say something.
Don't have something, but here today I have a phone.
Today you have a phone. Hey, show us your phone. It's
inside my house.
Hey, Desi. Hey. Desi for us, guys. So Trubo is also serving over there, and we want to see. We always eat here just to avoid what we call like time consuming, so that when we tell them to go eat from the hotel, it will be very like time will not go as we expecting. But when we eat from here, it's so nice. So that it keeps time. So we eat and then we see what's happening. All right.
Kizungu bado.
Maji babu, mwaga tu maji.
Rashadi. Now. Style. Takanja furando. Ana mbuni mama kamera. Now just do worry. Lava niga tababu hii. Ndio babu ikirimi.
Yonko wala kulia. Tatachi hapa mki. Yana tachi.
Now. Naman Maria temok kamba kento. Orang rasa. Kamu ni. Orang dah hatarin deh. Apa mau tagam? Edwin. Tagam biar yo. Edwin. Terapu ayo. Terapu ayo murah.
Say something.
Something what? Wah terapu deh. Itu mending anda. Oh anak. Just walk man.
Baka marke.
Akan mulai kiri, kamu gitu. Serta babu nak ikut.
Ah, Mr. CJ there.
Here's called conflict, bro.
Gumar.
Which one?
This one.
You don't know.
You don't know.
Yeah, how do you call them?
This is basalt. This is basalt. Basalt.
Basalt.
This one. This is basalt. You see? When you mix basalt, when you mix with the sun,
Become concrete.
yes.
This is the paras.
No, basalt.
Basalt. Good boy.
What is ballast? Ballast is that one.
Is that one?
Yes.
And the basalt is
Basalt.
another name. All.
I don't
The
know.
engineer is here.
When it has been mixed, it's now known as concrete.
Yeah, when you mix.
And those stones,
No, this is a mixture.
Yeah.
And they have to
The
different
small stones
mix.
are
Yeah?
known as ballast. That is the name of
yeah, ballast.
that ballast. So once you mix ballast with the sand,
Plus cement,
plus cement, now it becomes concrete.
yeah.
And water.
Yeah.
It becomes concrete. Now, the process of mix this thing.
It's called mixing.
There's no procedure.
You first of all do what we call batching.
Yes. Batching.
Yeah. You batch. So when we say batching, it means that you are putting the required
required material, yeah.
the required ratio so that we start mixing now.
So like this
So
is
like
already.
that one, we started with the sand, then we placed ballast.
Okay.
Yeah, depending on the ratio of the strength actually you want to use it on the construction work.
Absolutely. You understand that now? Today?
No. The real name of those stones are ballast. That's the known name. Basalt, what is basalt? Maybe I have to go. I have to Google.
Have you ever heard that term basalt?
I've never heard. Let me confirm that name.
Confirm the word basot, guys.
Wala mangangana ako geography kinimbe. Blocks. Go there.
Kuna vichupa vile vingi mna.
Wala mangangana kama huwa no haite.
So let's see, guys, how it is. The sun. Hii mmetoa wapi? Hii mmetoa wapi? Ha?
Karibu na ile hoteli yenye hapo.
Oh.
Right home.
Oh, little home. Ah, ile safi. Ah, ni safi.
Na hii ni mchanga.
Ilikuwa matope ingine tuliletwa mara ya kwanza. Yancho akichoki no mosensa kuno. Nuwe manye no mokoro ule. Nuwe akichoki no mosensa kuno.
Sawa, haki ya mchanga. Mchanga sasa.
Wewe umeifunika? Lakini umeifunika. Hapa nyuma ndio umefunika. Lakini yeah, so I just came back home and this is what you see over here as my brother keeps on making flowers and just trimming them. So today is trimming them. Hey, good morning, bro.
Morning, brother.
How are you?
Very fine, brother.
You good?
Yeah,
I'm doing fine too, thank you, man. Hey,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
see every single day you change your gears.
my gears, yeah. Different gears.
Sure. Hey, the other time we were having some different gears, but
Yeah.
this one,
This is now original.
original gears.
Very bad. You hear? You can hear?
The clack.
That's
Eh?
another gear. Another
Hey.
gear. Gear 4.
So
Up
it's
to gear 4.
so it's extending.
It is extendable trimming shears.
Trimming shears, guys.
Very, very
If you want, if there's a surprise that my brother loves, you surprise him with this kind of shears.
Yeah.
Like he has so many, like 100 of these types of trimming shears.
Yeah.
So since around 2018, you can imagine since 2018,
Yes.
2017, 2018, he has been buying different types. When you see a new shear, what you call like trimming shears,
Yeah.
with him there, another trimming shears with him.
Yeah.
So this is the reason to that I'm seeing. I'm like,
It is gears. You put into gears.
Oh, so when you pull back.
Yeah. It is just the way you pull.
True boy, have you ever seen this? Come you see
Where
this.
you put different gears where now you need it to be.
Okay.
If you need gear 1,
Uh-huh.
that
And
is
they
gear
click.
1, they click.
Hey.
Gear 2,
Hey.
gear 3,
Hey.
gear 4.
I think I've been traveling.
Yes.
It's only that they don't allow carrying stuff like this.
Yeah.
There's a one I saw in Malaysia, Penang. It was like, I don't know how it was. Like, I think it's like driven like this.
Yes.
It's round. It has round, but this one is I think.
This is fake.
How is it fake?
Unique. Do you see the word here? Unique, yeah? You can't even
You don't-
bend. Can you bend the
True,
blades now?
True boy usually
Bend
makes
the
some
blade
jokes to my
Can you bend
brother.
it?
Eh?
Anyway, this thing is the way I can see it's high quality.
Yeah.
Anyway, I haven't seen this one
Yeah.
before
Unique.
for sure.
Unique, yeah. Unique.
That's for sure. This is unique because the other one I've been seeing, even the handle is so different.
So
Those are
different,
adjustable.
yeah.
Yeah, for
Yeah.
sure.
Eh,
Like but this one now,
Mm.
hey,
African born. Hey,
Yeah. This is my homeland, my home continent.
Yeah, kia Mungu, I swear.
The green man here.
The green man.
Yeah, the environmental.
Guys, this we see. This guy keeps our environment very, very, very nice, and always keep. You know, this will just come one day like love. Like you trim it this way, and it will come love in the gate.
Welcome
And
to the lovable homestead.
to the
homestead.
lovable homestead.
I love it.
What do you think about this, Juma? True boy.
With me,
Eh,
according to this man, the way you are seeing him here,
eh.
hey,
Hey,
with me,
hey.
with me, like you know, like each and every time we meet, I meet new styles.
Yeah.
I need you like
New
new
tools.
designs. You know, like you can see today.
He has a new tool.
New one.
And he's launching it maybe.
Yeah.
Are you launching it here now?
No.
When did you buy this?
It is now almost 6 months.
Oh, 6 months old, and I've been not seeing it inside here.
That's not true.
Because I've been to the company there. Don't you see even it is now?
And it
even-
looks still new.
Yeah. 6 months.
The other time I
He's
was
our gardener, guys.
Yeah,
Green
he's a-
man over
he's
here.
a green
He's
man.
doing amazing, by the way. It's only he's not recording to where he works, but he's doing an amazing.
very amazing. Yeah. I remember when I was starting, he used to fear cameras, but nowadays he's used to it, which is a very good thing. I'm also loving the spirit of that.
The
you know?
more you go, the cooler it becomes.
The higher you go.
Yeah, the higher you go. So the more we go, the more
It becomes cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
So one day, I think one day he will have a channel.
I saw people commenting, oh, can your brother Jacob open a YouTube channel? Let's hear his regards from him. Are you willing to open a YouTube channel? Just look at the
My
camera.
brothers, what I wish to tell you is, I wish even to open it,
Yes.
but there are disadvantages. The kind of phone that I use here.
Oh,
so
okay.
how comes these batoners from?
Oh, you pressed
Can
win.
Can it even take a photo?
No.
So if you have the will of going to the YouTube,
Okay.
have for me a phone. Then
Oh,
I
okay.
can be carrying out
Maybe
like
some
these
days in these fine days. In these fun days. Maybe if I'll get something, I can't promise, but I can't because I'm not good.
Put it into a promise.
No, I don't want to put promise. In these fine days,
Yes.
if I'm good in the pocket, I can just add something. You buy a new one.
Yeah.
You know,
I mean, that's joyous because if you see to this one, it's just making phone calls to my customers where you come to my homestead, just making calls.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you have to start saving at least.
Yeah.
But you two brothers here.
No, you
I
start.
know,
No, you say
can
okay.
make
You'll
you
say
have
this.
some
Okay, you'll
here.
say this. You'll just say this. Hey, brothers, I have
I
this
have
kind of
this.
money.
Yeah.
What do you see? What do you have to
What
so
do
that
you
you
add
can
me
add?
on?
Yeah, on this.
But to I myself, usually, but the one that I usually get from customers there, I find it spending into other.
Now you have
home activities here.
So you have to-
buying tools,
Okay.
traveling, maybe going to accessing towards where they
Okay.
call me to. So
Yeah.
saving it becomes difficult.
Now you do this. There is what we call in mathematics as financial what you call like CEOs. Yeah, they call them that. There's a time you see the percent. You see, if you have worked until you get $1 today, you say I'm going to spend $0.2 on this, and this one should be on this. So you make it a habit. Okay, this 20 shillings on this 100 or 80 on this, something like that.
Disadvantageous is the more you earn,
The more you get it, the more you want it.
The more you spend it.
The more the hard drugs, we call them hard drugs. The more you want it, the more you get it.
Because for example, when I earned even for example 5,000, what rang to my mind is you need now to have another
tool.
share. Because if I can show you the other tools that I have there, it is just a difference from this one here.
Oh,
and
wow.
this is almost 2,000.
How many trimming shears do you have right now?
The trimming shears are almost even 60, 70.
60, 70. And how
When
much is
others I usually share with others, giving them for free.
how much does one trimming shears? Which one was
the least amount?
Yes.
The least cost of the least amount that I bought, it was of 1,000.
1,000. That is like $10.
Yeah.
And the most expensive one,
Now it is this one here of 2,200 Kenyan shillings.
that's $20.
Yeah.
Hey, man. And you have them 60.
Yes.
Just to calculate this 60 times 2,000.
No,
That's
let's at least
approximate 1,500 or 1,000. Let's say 1,000. That's 60,000.
almost.
Yes,
Bro, you are rich, bro.
yeah, because
Yeah.
these are the tools. The work, the more you love your work, the more also you get more unique tools. Even I wish I could have that electrical, the automatic trimming. trimming machine.
Now the moment you buy the automatic trimming machine, know that it has already replaced your work, because when you go to the boss
my
and
skills will go.
and the boss will say, how much do you buy this? Where did you buy it? and the boss now can just can change it. Now the boss can use it to work.
But all of it is that, for example, making to such kinds of designs, it can't do.
It does. It does. It does. Sorry guys, that's not English.
So what it usually do maybe it is
Flat
to
surfaces.
the table like surfaces.
All right.
The flat table like surfaces. Because that one you usually put it now into a table form. Then but to the making these unique designs, it requires now manual manpower.
Okay.
Yeah.
All
and
right.
now this one also into the designs, it requires your creativity.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yo guys, this is my brother here, Jacob, and we are with True Boy over here, and this is what is the specialist or the profession in trimming, landscaping, and so many things so on. So this is it, and this is the work that he's doing over here, trying to groom. The other side also, you see, he has been doing this side, and also the grass. You know, one thing is like about the grasses, oh man, they are really doing pretty good and pretty well. And also on this other end, so let's move from this side and we'll be ending the video. And also there's some flowers over here. I showed you in just past 1 week what was happening, how we were creating this kind of fence and also other stuff. The grass has really grown big, which is very good. And also the flowers, remember we just planted this kind of flowers and they haven't even dried up. They are doing great work of this. And on the other end, all right guys, let's proceed. Then we'll be heading back to True Boy's place, and then we want to check what's happening, and we want to give you the updates of what's going on and how we are changing narratives in the village. Bye guys. Yeah, so guys, this is what you see, and the bar rest has been already over here, and this is what you see around here on the other end. Let me give you just a 360, and you want to see the pillars are being fixed all the way up to the other side, as you see, and on this other end is there. So I just wanted to record when the masons have already gone, because sometimes they fear cameras and also it drag more attention to them. So this is what you see, and as you see on the other end, what is happening on this beautiful house over here. So engineer, yeah, this is what you see on the other end, which is a very nice and great, magnificent house on this end. The pillars already has been compacted. Somebody has just forgotten what's happening. Today we were collecting the blocks, the other blocks that were here. We are collecting them so that the house can remain the way it is on this other end. And also they were fixing what we call like the pillars already, which he has done. And also, yeah, so we want just on the other end, after they have finished, what will be done on this end is that what will be done, which is that we'll just be removing all this other end, and we'll be doing this other stuff of this other end. Oh my god. And this is what you see. I was just to give you a 360 of this. Isn't Zanan? Isn't Zanan? Za? Oh. Omera mano mari. Oh, donc, akhir kan, nanti pihak kata ngato no par no we gig catch. Aye. Sorry guys, I was speaking in the Luo language. You know, I can understand and speak fluent Luo. So that's what you see. And on the other end, let me just take you inside a little bit. Marwa! A little bit on this end. So they are pouring some water. Hey, true boy, yes. How is it?
Everything is good.
Yes.
I'm trying to.
You're with Mr. Desi.
Yes.
This guy. Mr. Desi. They are chested. That's why I just avoided to film him.
I'm just going around.
Yes, to check whether everything is okay.
You can see I'm holding money.
Hey man, don't show money, man. You know money. Everybody have money.
You have to eat with your eyes. So I'm just going around to confirm whether the rooms are clean.
Yes.
And to see whether everything is all right.
Yes.
Then now we have to pay these laborers.
The laborers, yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. That's very nice. And also
confirm whether
confirm the other end, whether even the cement are down, you know?
No, not laborers. What to mishi?
With there?
What to mishi?
Alright guys, this is what you have been seeing, and so we'll be pouring water on this other end so that it can be just like dump like this, so that during this session everything will be so nice. So these are the only remaining blocks, which will be arranging them well, because we have been doing what we call like carrying them up the other end, and that's how it has been happening. So yeah, I'm so much happy because the other end is almost almost done. We are like let me say like 50% on this other end, and then we want to start from 0% when we'll be roofing on the other end. But from the foundation, just from the foundation we have done with this, from the foundation all the way, the pillars on the other end. So today we went to purchase what we call like let me go down. This one we have to be arranging them well. We have to arrange them here so that they can be well, because like this one you have to arrange them little by little so that they can be well on this end. Okay, on this other end over here, yeah, these are the only remaining blocks, these small blocks that have been here. And also yeah, we have ballast on this end, and also this other end. Nilisema jioni tutamaliza kuokota hizo block twingine tuweke hapa kando. Si nyinyi mlikubaliana hivyo? Tulisema hivyo. Kuna vunusu tulisema tuchukue vote tuweke sehemu moja hapa hivi. So we want to take this. Takachoma percent kwanza. Don't pay them fast. Tukusanye hizi zote zikuje hapa hivi.
Once you go down. Let's first confirm everything.
Confirm everything that hizi zingine zichukuliwe. Hizo zingine ziko safi hapo, zipangwe hapo. Hizi zingine ndogo tulisema asubuhi mkaanza kazi. Ziweke tu hapa kando hivi hapa. Hizi ndogo ndogo zote nusu zikae hapa kando. Mbao kama hizi zingine zikae hapa. Mwache site ikiwa safi. Sorry guys, I'm just telling them so they can leave the site very clean. So I've been going around to check whether the small blocks have been there. So we have to pick all these small blocks. True boy, yeke hapo wengine fix vizuri on this end, up to this other end that way. So pick this, hii nzima uipeleke huko juu. Chote mato montomo hand. Yenye ni nzima. You know, these are not the wastes, but I believe one day they'll just get work to do. So ona hii nzima juu muipeleke kwa zile zingine. Kama hiyo juli yake kwa hizo zingine, it will work. Like this. Just pick them this side on this end. Ama nusu yote, haya mengine mazima muyaweke hapo. This other one like this. So you can just put them, you arrange them over here so they can be well on the other end of what we're doing. That we can even cover them a little bit. If they be on this one side, it will be more better than just being scattered on the other end, which would be more better. Like this one, so that we can leave the site very clean in the evening. Okay. This side. Jiwekeni hapa ndio ikikuwa inafanya hata mtu anaomba kipande na kuja kutafuta hapa. Hizi zingine tuziweke pamoja vizuri, tuzifunike. This other way you can just arrange them. Babu, acho nturi chini kama uchibange hangi amigo. Chibaha muiga nga. Eh. So we can just pack them this way. Hey, we balanced well. These are the only remaining blocks. We hope fully that they will finish on the other end. Just some small place that has remained, so we'll be using this to just fix them. We need to go back to the quarry for more stones or for more blocks like this. So from here, and then we'll cover them, and later on we'll be ending our video. Yeah. So we only have this other material. So let me just give you a 360. Sawa babu, sawa. Aja sasa kuja walipe on this other end. So whatever we have is like everything has been so clean. No block that is around here. This old place, it's so nice. No blocks. It's only that now we start to remove these stumps when all this will be done. No blocks. All these tree stumps will be taken somewhere. All these stumps you see here, from tomorrow we'll be carrying them and we put them somewhere so that we can leave our home being very, very clean and magnificent. So yeah, that is it. All right. Yeah, now it's time to pay. You know, you have to call a register so that you can know who was working in the morning and who was not working. So you have to pay a register. And also our cows are really feeding over here, which is a very good thing. So thank you so much guys. I really appreciate your love and support and for being on this YouTube channel till now. You are a very big family to me and I really appreciate your love and support. So subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment. Support also my brother here, True Boy. He's on road to 5,000 subscribers and I really appreciate your love and support. And wanna see aya haya 29 61 62 40 and R6 R6 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Yeah, 15. We said 15. Yeah.
15.
Yeah, 15. So this is how they are, and yeah. So tomorrow we'll be starting maybe fixing this of the for the what you call like for the foundation. All right. Much and yeah, I really appreciate your love and support, and this is what you see, and be blessed and. Thank you. Road to 30,000 subscribers. Love from Africa, and we love you all. Subscribe, guys, and let's hit 30k subscribers. Bye.